Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add your Hostinger website builder site to Google Search Console and also how to submit your first sitemap. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. This is my website built using Hostinger website builder, and first let's visit Google Search Console like that. Click on the first visit, click on Start Now. Now, instead of starting with a domain property type, I recommend you to go with URL prefix. Now, let's copy my website name, paste it here. You need to start with the HTTPS. Now, after that, click on continue and wait a moment. This is the ownership verification step, and Google recommends you using HTML file. This is not possible for us. We can't upload a file to our Hostinger website builder site, so we will see other verification methods. I recommend you to verify using HTML tag. Click on it like that, copy this code, and let's go back to Hostinger. Log into your Hostinger account. Go to websites, and next to the same website you're trying to connect, click on this edit website button. This is my website, or this is the same website. Now click on these three dots or more settings and click on integrations. Here click on custom code and paste your code here. Click on save, changes saved. You need to update your website to activate the integration. Click on update website here or from this corner. It's the same thing. Now let's go back to Google Search Console. Click on verify. I've just waited between a minute and two. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger website builder masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. I've just waited between a minute and two, and I've tried to verify again, and as you see, my ownership is verified. Now go to property, and this is my Hostinger website builder site added to Google Search Console. Now an important step, or the first step you need to do, is to add your sitemap to Google Search Console to make your website indexing a little bit faster. So go to sitemaps and now enter your sitemap URL, which is sitemap.xml. This is the same. This sitemap destination is the same for all websites on Hostinger website builder. And as you see, your sitemap was submitted successfully. Google will periodically process it and look for changes. You will be notified if anything goes wrong with it in the future. This means that Google will start checking your sitemap. Let's visit this sitemap. This is not my website. /sitemap.xml. This is all the pages available on my website. This is the terms and condition. This is a blog post. This is the contact page. New pages will be added here, and Google will be notified to index them. Let's refresh this page. And this is how to add your hosting or website builder site to Google Search Console, and also how to submit your new sitemap. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.